Hello guys, welcome you all for this end-to-end session of AML, AML and DL, where you're gonna learn everything that you guys need in order to become a successful data scientist. Hope you guys are enjoying. We are enjoying a lot. We are learning a lot each and every day. Hope the same thing for you guys. And one more thing, we have begun a new journey where we have started learning deep learning. Right? We are going in a depth-wise manner. We have completed breadth-wise. Now we are moving on to depth-wise manner, where putting in a simple way, we have played enough with data, we have played enough with machine learning algorithm. So now we are continuing with a deep learning, right? Deep learning is something which is like, I will say it's a, subset of machine learning, where we gonna where this deep learning concept is gonna learn the features by itself. Okay, so that is what. Okay, so today we're gonna see one more algorithms in deep learning. So before coming to the session, as always guys, please make sure that you guys watch all the previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we are talking. Okay, so yeah, so today the topic is convolutional neural network in data science. That is what we're going to understand. And one more thing guys, adding on, there are 2000 plus quizzes which are available in our YouTube channel. Please make sure you guys go and attend it. Okay, just give an attempt. So without wasting any time, let us jump into today's session. Today's session is all about convolutional neural network in data science. Okay, let's see what is convolutional neural network, that is CNN. CNN are a type of artificial neural network that excel at processing image and other visual data. They are widely used in various data science applications ranging from image classification, object detection to natural language processing and medical diagnosis. Okay, putting in a simple way, okay, we have learned about ANN, right? We have built ANN. So where this ANN is completely related to data, numbers, but where this CNN, it is very specific to images. Okay, we're gonna see why it is. Okay, because images is something different. We need to treat the image in a manner, it is something different rather than numbers. You can say images built up of pixels. Okay, but there is some difference, man. Okay, there is some difference. That is a kind of a difference will be there. How to treat the image? Okay, you need to treat like a blocks instead of a sequence of numbers. You need to treat image as a blocks, and pre-processing the image, and then doing some kind of EDA, and then applying the model is somewhat different when compared to the sequential data, because we need to treat the images as mentioned before as a block. Okay, let's understand how it is going. Okay, moving on, let's see. We are just introducing this CNN. Okay, what is CNN? Inspired by visual contracts. Okay, so CNNs are designed to mimic the structure and function of the human visual contact. Okay, I will say human vision is what the CNN all about. Okay, next, feature extraction. They automatically learns the hierarchical features from raw data such as edges and shapes of the texture. Okay, whenever we have an image, okay, it need to capture the features from it, right? So in images there will be multiple structures, right? There are going to be some kind of edges. Okay, there are going to be some kind of shapes and structures. Like, you consider this is an image. Okay, I'm sitting, right? There is a background of pink color, and then I'm having a some more dark skin like that, right? In order to understand everything, we are having some parameters like edges, shape, structure, like those things. Comes under the category called as feature extraction. Then spatial relationship. CNN capture spatial relationship between the features, making them ideal for image and video analysis. Yeah, spatial information is simple. Okay, this is what the entire space it gonna understand the information and fetch the feature structures from it. Okay, so that is what. So this is what the spatial relationship where this CNN is able to operate. Okay, that is a major thing. Now moving on, image classification. Not only image classification, CNN helps in different things. Let us understand what is image classification. CNN can identify different objects and patterns within images, classify them into predefined category. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so not only this image classification, CNN helps us to do image detection, image classification, image segmentation, multiple things. Okay, because CNN has something which is unique, which no other models has. Okay, that's true, because it is able to understand the image as an image itself. It treats the image and processes the image in a form of a pixels. Everything related to the image term it is able to do. Okay, instead of a creation of something like a dense layer, ANN, no, not nothing like that. Okay, CNN has a new way of training the model. You guys gonna see. Okay, let's move on. Okay, what are the key components of this CNN? Okay, let's see what are the key components in CNN. Okay, so I hope like you guys have understand ANN, so that CNN will be very easier. In ANN we have only one layer, that is called as dense layer, where all the inputs of the previous layer will be sorry, all the outputs of the previous layer will be converted to the input of the next layer. This is what the ANN. Let's understand CNN. First is convolution layer applies the filters to extract the features from the input data. Convolution operations are responsible for the network's ability to learn spatial features. True. Guys, simply consider one thing. Okay. Let's consider. This is an image. Okay. My hand is an image. Now, what this convolution layer will do means it will create boxes. First box. Okay. Second box. Third box. Fourth box. Fifth box. Sixth box. Seven. 8, 9. That's it. 9 boxes. It will take this, learn this, take this, learn this, take this, learn this. Like that, it will learn all the 9 things and it will be able to extract what is this images. That is what this convolution layer will do. Pooling layer, it reduces the dimensionality of the feature maps, making the model more computationally effective. Pooling layer helps to downsample the feature maps, retaining the most important features. Okay, consider. So I have said this is a way of learning by the convolution layer, right? It has learned the 9 things, 9 boxes, and it will create one more image that is called as feature map. And it will not stop from that, because first time it will learn some things only. Okay, it will go for the second time and create a feature map. Third time feature map. Fourth time feature map. Like that, it will create 100 feature map. Now I cannot push all the 100 to the model because it is computationally heavy and it's gonna take more cost and more time. What I will do means I will apply the pooling layer on top of this convolution layer, so that I can reduce this 100 images to only 50, 25, whatever needed. That is called as pooling layer. Finally, we will be having a fully connected layer, connected all the neurons in the previous layer to all the neurons in the current layer. Fully connected layer performs the classification or regression tasks based on the extractor feature. Simple. Okay. Consider we are having only 5 feature map which is passing to the fully connected layer. That means for a single feature map we will be having 9 boxes, right? 9 into 5, 45, right? That's right? So what we're gonna do means there are gonna be 45 pixels which gonna be a straight line and gonna pass to the fully connected layer. It will create a classification or regression based on the need. That's it, guys. Okay. Convolution layer treat as a box and it will learn. Pooling layer reduce the feature maps which is created by the convolution layer. Once the feature maps are ready, it get flattered. Okay, for example, we are having two feature maps of 9 cross 9, then there will be 18 pixels, right? 18 pixels will be in a single line and it will be feed to the fully connected layer. It will create a probability based on our application, like whether it's classification or regression, we're gonna get the output. That's it. Okay, I hope like you guys are able to understand, right? You guys are able to follow up. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, guys. Okay, now we're gonna see the advantages of CNN, because we have seen introduction to CNN, how a CNN, and advantages of CNN. Let's see what are the advantages of CNN. High accuracy, it's true, right? It has an high accuracy because CNN can be achieve a state of art performing on various computer vision tasks. Okay, not only computer vision, it is very helpful for image classification, object detection, something like segmentation, everything. Okay, feature learning, yeah, CNN automatically learns a relevant feature from the data, eliminating the need for manual feature engineering. True, right? It's gonna apply something called as a filter, a square kind of filter, and it will learn from itself. It doesn't need any kind of feature engineering, any kind of pre-processing inbuilt. Okay, that's a major thing. Robustness, CNNs are robust to variations in input data such as noise, rotation, and scale changes. Okay, consider we are just training the image by this way. Okay, we are calling it is an ant. Okay, and what if it will be like this? This is also an ant, right? CNN can able to predict this so that they are robust. Okay, we just train with this data, but it is able to predict this kind is also called as an ant. That is called as robustness. Scalability, CNN can be easily scaled to handle a larger dataset and complex tasks. Okay, yeah, they are scalable. Okay, for example, if you are today training and checking with the 50 data, tomorrow if you are getting 1 lakh data, the CNN can work. That is what is scalability. Okay, so hope you guys are able to understand. Okay, so guys, I hope like we are explaining perfectly what is the black box behind every algorithm. So I hope you guys are able to understand what is CNN, what are the importance of it, how the CNN layers are fitted up. Okay, so yeah, that's all about today's session. Let's pass here and we will continue the remaining thing related to CNN the next session. Until next session, bye guys. Take care. And one more thing before going further, please make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, because like every day we are just uploading a new video, so that if you guys subscribe and press the notification icon, you never gonna miss any of our video, because like you will be getting a push notification, right? So, and one more thing, adding on, like I said in the starting of a session, please make sure you guys go and attend 2000 plus quizzes which are available in our YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, that's all about today's session, guys. We have introduced you what is CNN, what are the layers in CNN and advantages of CNN. Remaining things we will discuss in the next session. Until next session, bye guys. Take care. We will all meet in the next session. Bye guys.